Okay, welcome to the FURY Acceleration Center, and my name is Jimmy, and I'm the inside sales in charge of the SSD and RAM in Thailand and Vietnam.
So here, the Computex 2025. What is the FURY?
Alright, so FURY is actually our gaming brand of Kingston, and under the gaming brand, we have two product lines. One is the FURY RAM. On the left-hand side, we have FURY Renegade DDR5, and also in the middle is FURY Beast DDR5. And
so these very fast?
Yeah, the Renegade speed can go up to 8800 mega transmit per second.
All right. And you even have a faster one here.
Yeah, the faster one is the FURY Renegade Gen 5 SSD. The speed is actually 2 times faster than Gen 4 SSD.
How do you manage to do 2 times faster?
Oh, we are powered by the silicon motion.
And you somehow double the channels or something?
Yes, that's right. So then we can just make it faster. So the speed can go up to 14,800 megabytes read speed, and the write speed will be 14,000 megabytes per second.
The problem with this speed, you know what this problem is, that 4 terabytes will be written in a few seconds. I'm joking, but it's just gonna go so fast.
Yeah.
You fill up the whole SSD too fast.
Too fast? I think it's
but maybe you read,
make everything just very smoothly.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's nice. What else you can talk about here?
I think here, let's go back to the FURY Renegade DDR5.
Yeah, is it one of those?
Yeah, this one. You can take a look.
Yeah.
That although the heatsink design we don't have any change for that. But this is our the highest performance RAM product line.
Nice. It's metallic to dissipate the heat.
Yes.
And what you design here looks nice.
Yeah. And with this one, it is synchronized with our software system. It has 18 different theme that you can work with.
Nice. And what's this one?
This is the FURY Beast.
So the Beast was
this one.
This one.
The speed go up to 6,800 mega transmit per second.
Right. And do people buy it not only for gaming, for all kinds of
content creators, they also buy it. For those users that they looking for high-speed performance, and also big data related.
And which one is this?
So this is also the Renegade. So with Renegade, we have the black one, and we have the white one.
But they're the same family of products?
It's the same. Same product line, but 2 different colors.
All right. And is this the
Beast.
Another Beast?
Yes.
So just a different color for this?
Yes, different heatsink colors. One white, one black.
So the new Renegade GS, do you have other than this?
Oh, so far we only have this one, but I believe that the heatsink version is coming up soon.
So it's gonna be probably a cool design for the heatsink, no?
Yeah.
All right. Cool. These are available on the market, and this not yet?
These are all available in the market.
Also this one?
Also this one.
All right. Cool. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.